Using AI can feel like stepping into a world of endless possibilities. Imagine having a tool that can analyze data faster than you can blink, generate creative content, and even assist in decision-making. It's like having a supercharged assistant at your fingertips. But how do you actually harness this power? Let's break it down. First, understanding the types of AI is crucial. There are two main categories: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI is designed for specific tasks, like recommending movies or optimizing logistics. It's what we interact with daily, often without even realizing it. General AI, on the other hand, is still largely theoretical. It aims to replicate human intelligence across a wide range of tasks. For now, we'll focus on narrow AI, as it's what you'll encounter most often. Now let's talk about applications. AI can be a game changer in various fields. In healthcare, it helps in diagnosing diseases by analyzing medical images with incredible accuracy. In finance, algorithms can predict market trends and manage risk. Even in marketing, AI analyzes consumer behavior to create personalized experiences. The key is to identify where AI can add value in your own work or life. Next, let's dive into the tools. There are countless AI platforms available today. For content creation, tools like ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas or draft articles. If you're into design, platforms like Canva now incorporate AI features to suggest layouts and color schemes. For data analysis, tools like Tableau leverage AI to visualize complex datasets. The best part? Many of these tools are user-friendly, requiring little to no coding knowledge. But with great power comes great responsibility. Ethical considerations are paramount when using AI. Data privacy is a significant concern. Always ensure that you're using data responsibly and with consent. Bias in AI is another critical issue. Algorithms can inadvertently perpetuate existing biases if not properly trained. It's essential to be aware of these pitfalls and strive for fairness in your AI applications. Let's not forget about the learning curve. Embracing AI means being open to continuous learning. There are numerous online courses and resources available to help you get started. Websites like Coursera and Udacity offer courses on AI fundamentals, machine learning, and even specialized topics like natural language processing. Engaging with communities, whether online or in person, can also provide support and insights as you navigate this landscape. Finally, remember that AI is a tool, not a replacement for human creativity and intuition. It can enhance our capabilities, but it's our unique perspectives and experiences that drive innovation. So, as you explore AI, think about how it can complement your skills rather than overshadow them. In conclusion, using AI effectively requires understanding its types, applications, and tools, while also being mindful of ethical considerations. Embrace the learning journey and don't hesitate to experiment. The future is bright, and with AI, you have the potential to unlock new levels of creativity and efficiency. So dive in, explore, and let AI elevate your work and life in ways you never thought possible.